Hi gorgeous, it's me again, Genius Store, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be another makeup tutorial, a wearable makeup look. Since Christmas na po, kinakailangan po natin ng maging maganda when it comes to parties. So if you go to a party, you have to be presentable, then you have to prepare yourself. So we are looking for something that we can wear, yung hindi naman yung parang heavy makeup look. So this time, in video na ito, it's going to be a makeup tutorial that you can use whenever you go, especially for Christmas parties. So without so much ado, but before anything else, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I post my new video. So without so much ado, let's jump into the video. So primarily po, ginamit po natin yung gel eyeliner na Dermacol sa ating eyebrow. So this time, we will be using this Nude Beauty palette, Huda Beauty. Then, gagamitin natin yung darker shade. And then, we are going to put that one here. So yung importante po sa ating kilay is that dapat tumutusok yan. So basically kasi, yung kilay talaga yung importante. Diyan tayo nagtatagal, diba? We need to set that one, we need to shapen that one so that kung sino man ang tumitingin sa atin, may inggit, dapat mainggit bayot ang mga tumitingin sa atin. And then you need to like, itaas dapat ang kilay. Once mas maganda naman yung tumitingin sa'yo, then ganyanin mo lang kasi sabihin mo, sorry. And so ngayon, lilinisin po natin yung kilay natin gamit po itong Pop Field HD Professional Cover Foundation. So ayan. So kinakailangan po nating linisin para maging bongga yung shape ng ating kilay. So that's the really important. Dito lang tayo bumabawi, girl. So ayan. So I guess it's very necessary na linisin natin yung ating kilay para maging bongga na. For our transitional and eyeshadow, since tapos na po tayo sa ating kilay, gagamitin ko po yung NEWNUDE True Colors collection in the shade of Sun Kiss. So gagamitin po natin ito as our transitional. So yan po. If you watch the Miss Universe, talagang nakakadismaya talaga yung result because Philippines did not make it to the top 10. Like, I was like rooting for her na at least maging top 5 naman siya. Like, you know what, yung performances naman niya is really, yung talagang ini-expect mo talagang pang Miss Universe. But, that's life. Sometimes we are winners. Sometimes we become losers at some point of our life. So, di talaga natin matatansya yung kapalaran ng ating ng ating destination kung saan tayo pupunta. This time we are going to use this Huda Beauty palette in the NEWNUDE brand, and then we are going to like intensify our transitional. That's it. As I've said, talagang nakakapanglumo talaga yung result ng Miss Universe, since you know what, Philippines is always top 5, like top 10 and that. Basically, ginawa naman ni Gazini yung kanyang best, but still congratulations for representing the Philippines and you really did a great job. But still, we have to congratulate her because she got the crown. I mean, she got the best in national costume. So bagay na sa kanya yun. Talagang napakaganda yung costume niya, yung talagang intricate, yung design is very detailed, hindi mo asahan na ganun talaga. So far, sa lahat ng national costume na ginamit ng Philippines, Gazini has the most, so far yung pinakamagandang nasuot ng Philippines sa international arena of pageant, yung national costume. And congratulations for a sandwich victory for the South Africa. Talagang napakaganda ni South Africa. And she really deserved the crown. And as well for Puerto Rico, Mexico, Thailand, and I guess si Iceland ba yun? Sino kayo yung isa? Yung sa top 5. Congratulations, girl. Talagang napakaganda yung mga candidates ngayon. And so ngayon, gagawin po natin siya ng bonggang cut crease dito. So yung ginagawa po natin sa nilagay nating cut crease is we are topping that one with some eyeshadow para maset po yung liquid foundation na nilagay po natin. And I am combining the color of, the shade of Bear and this one, and this one para maging seamless lang po yung kulay niya. So sa ating under eye, we are just going to use this rose shade. Yan. Lalagay lang po natin siya dyan. So this time, gamit po itong Says Lady na big volume, what to call this, mascara. Gagamitin po natin siya sa ating under eye. So, dapat when it comes to mga party talaga, dapat bongga yung ano mo. Yung mata mo. Talagang parang makukuha sila sa tingin mo lang. And then, dapat nakakapamatay yung mga pilik mata mo, yung eyeshadow mo. Dapat ganon. Pero pwede naman maging simple lang naman. It doesn't necessarily na talagang bongga yung makeup na gagamitin mo or whatsoever. Sometimes simplicity is beauty. Mas maganda pag simple lang. Pero kung gusto mo naman talagang makikita ka like head turner, kailangan mo magpabongga. Bayot. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, pag maganda ka, talagang mapapansin ka. Pero kung kulilat ka, pero losyang ka naman, then ikaw naman yung kawawa. So you have to make ways na mapansin ka in the crowd. This time, we are going to use this, the Dermacol gel eyeliner para sa ating eyeliner. Of course, hindi yan mawawala. So, kinakailangan talaga. For this time for our foundation, we are using this Puffil HD Invisible Cover Foundation. So, yan po yung gagamitin po nating foundation. So, we are going to start it now. At ngayon, gagamitin naman po natin yung ating Says Lady na highlighter. So this time, we are now done for our final look in 3, 2, 1. So hey gorgeous, this will be our final look. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I post my new video. But yet, subscribe na. See you to my next video. Bye.